It's wonderful to know. Lasers are usually used in early stages of construction when measurements are made. Makita came up with a product which gives its users a cordless solution for vertical and horizontal cross-reference lines, plus 4-point, which is required for alignment, plumb, level, and square applications. And you have to know that depending on the ambient light, the Makita SK106 GDZ has a visibility of line which ranges up to 115 feet. It incorporates a bright light with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch at 33. It provides with 160-degree vertical and 180-degree horizontal lines for full coverage. It's also very fast in terms of self-leveling line stability, which is achieved in up to 3 seconds. It's pretty amazing, as it also helps increase productivity and reach efficiency. So yeah, this product is great for users looking for a high continuous runtime, as this product offers 12-volt max CXT battery, which delivers 20 hours of continuous runtime. It's also great for users looking for a self-leveling on uneven surfaces, as this product offers the users correct up to 4 degrees of slope. It is also IP54 rating product, which helps ensure the users that it's dust and water resistant. It also offers to lower laser brightness mode, which helps extend the battery runtime, performance, and also a battery protection circuit, which protects against overheating along with overloading as well. Makita offers a 3-year limited warranty and is returnable for 90 days.